Imagine a civilization capable of cutting stone with laser-like precision, thousands of years before the wheel was even invented, a feat that still baffles modern science. Picture blocks of hard rock, weighing over 100 tons, transported across vast distances and assembled with such perfect interlocking joints that a razor blade can't fit between them. This isn't science fiction, this is Pumapunku, an ancient site in the Bolivian Andes, and its very existence challenges everything we thought we knew about human history and ancient engineering. Prepare to have your understanding of the past profoundly reshaped. For centuries, archaeologists have grappled with the enigma of Pumapunku. How did a culture, supposedly lacking advanced tools and knowledge, achieve such sophisticated masonry? Today, we're diving deep into this archaeological marvel to uncover its secrets. You'll learn about the site's unbelievable precision, the Herculean effort required to move its colossal stones, and the catastrophic event that left it in ruins. Understanding Pumapunku isn't just about admiring ancient craftsmanship, it's about questioning the limits of human ingenuity and considering what lost knowledge might still be waiting to be rediscovered. It forces us to confront our own assumptions about progress. At an altitude of nearly 13,000 feet in the Bolivian Altiplano, where the air is thin and the climate harsh, lies the scattered remains of Pumapunku. This isn't just any ruin, it's part of the greater Tiwanaku complex, once the spiritual and political capital of a vast pre-Incan empire that flourished between 500 and 1000 AD. But while Tiwanaku features impressive, albeit more conventional, stonework, Pumapunku stands apart, a marvel of engineering beyond its time. Its sheer remoteness and the difficulty of even surviving at this altitude make its construction all the more astounding. How do you build a monumental complex of this scale and precision when every breath is a struggle, every task demands immense physical exertion, and the nearest substantial timber is days away? The environment itself seems to conspire against such an undertaking, yet here it stands, or rather, here it lies, defying logic and challenging our preconceived notions of ancient human capabilities. It's an achievement that seems to mock the very elements. The true marvel of Pumapunku isn't just the size of its stones, but their unbelievable precision. Take the famous H-blocks, for instance. These aren't just crude rectangular stones, they are perfectly engineered, modular components, almost like gigantic Lego bricks designed to interlock with absolute perfection. Imagine cutting and shaping hard igneous rock like diorite and andesite with an accuracy that rivals modern laser cutters, yet without any known metal tools capable of doing so. The surfaces are so flat, the angles so perfect, and the drill holes so precise that they suggest a level of technology we simply cannot account for in that era. Some blocks exhibit perfectly straight grooves only a few millimeters wide, running for meters. How was this achieved without a straightedge and a fine saw blade? Your modern construction tools would struggle with this level of consistent, intricate detail. Can you truly grasp the immense skill and unknown methods required to carve such perfect right angles and perfectly flat planes into stone as hard as granite? It's a question that keeps archaeologists up at night. Beyond the cutting, there's the monumental challenge of moving these stones. The largest blocks at Pumapunku, made of red sandstone, weigh an estimated 130 tons, that's heavier than 20 African elephants combined. And the andesite blocks, known for their extreme hardness, weigh up to 25 tons. Here's the kicker, neither of these stone types are native to the immediate Pumapunku area. The red sandstone quarries are believed to be over 10 kilometers away, and the andesite quarries a staggering 90 kilometers, across rugged terrain, potentially involving crossing vast stretches of Lake Titicaca. How do you transport hundreds of these colossal stones, weighing tens or even hundreds of tons, without the wheel, without draft animals, and without any known advanced lifting mechanisms? Think about the sheer manpower, the engineering ingenuity, and the organizational skills needed to coordinate such an endeavor across such challenging landscapes. It's a logistical nightmare that defies conventional explanations and stretches the limits of what we imagine ancient societies could achieve. If the construction of Pumapunku is mind-boggling, its destruction is equally puzzling. Unlike many ancient sites that gradually fell into disrepair or were systematically dismantled, Pumapunku appears to have suffered a sudden, catastrophic collapse. Massive blocks, some weighing over 100 tons, are scattered like children's toys across the landscape, many overturned, broken, and even twisted. This isn't the work of invaders or looters, it suggests an event of immense, almost incomprehensible power. Was it a devastating earthquake, a massive flood, or perhaps a combination of natural disasters? Some theories even suggest an unfinished construction project, violently interrupted before completion. But how could even the most powerful natural disaster break and scatter such perfectly crafted, colossal stones with such force, leaving them in such chaotic disarray? It raises the unsettling question: what kind of cataclysm could level a structure built with such incredible resilience and precision, leaving behind such a scene of utter devastation? So, faced with such impossible engineering, what are the leading theories? Mainstream archaeology points to immense human labor, combined with primitive tools like stone hammers, sand, and water for abrasion. They suggest clever leverage systems and ramps for transport. But when you look closely at the evidence, the razor-sharp internal angles, the perfect drill holes, the sheer scale of the precision, it's hard not to feel that something is missing from this explanation. Are we underestimating ancient humans, or are we missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? This is where the debate truly ignites. Let's consider the comparison. 1. Traditional stone cutting, known uses copper chisels, soft, stone hammers, abrasive sands. Results in rougher, less precise cuts, often requiring immense time for small gains. 2. Pumapunku evidence, observed laser-like precision, perfectly flat surfaces, deep grooves with uniform width, drill holes with consistent diameter, suggesting rotary tools. The stark contrast between the methods we know ancient cultures possessed and the results we see at Pumapunku is the core of its mystery. Could there have been a lost technology, a forgotten scientific understanding, or even something more extraordinary at play? What if our understanding of history is simply incomplete? Pumapunku stands as a testament to an ancient civilization whose capabilities push the boundaries of our understanding. We've explored the unimaginable precision of its stonework, the mind-boggling logistics of transporting its colossal blocks, and the mysterious cataclysm that left it in ruins. This site isn't just a collection of old stones, it's a profound challenge to our historical narratives, urging us to question, to investigate, and to remain open to the possibility of lost knowledge. What do you believe explains the impossible engineering of Pumapunku? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below, and if you're as fascinated by these ancient mysteries as we are, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more explorations into the secrets of our past.